Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin massively pumping to 66,000. We reached 66,400 last night. Look at that. Boof. We bought it exactly here, literally at the exact bottom at 59K. I'm going to show you my trades. And then huge pump up from 59 all the way to 66. Huge volume coming in. Look at this buy volume, massive one last night from 62 to 64, and then we just kept going. Someone said, so James Sims, no, I'm not Russian. Guys, it auto translates. You can pay for the Telegram and it will automatically translate all your chats. Someone said, I saw you were happy yesterday and we pumped, and I said, me too. I also wore my green robes. $2.4 trillion market cap, 304,000 viewers on bitcoinprice.live, 304,000 viewers. You can set it up on your TV as well, and it's auto showing you the charts. You get a 60K bonus when you sign up with Bybit, and until the 31st of October, so about 2 weeks left, we have $10 million World Series of trading happening. Scan this QR code or the link in the description. We went from fear just 1 week ago to greed 65 1 week later. Huge movement on Bitcoin, 53% dominance, funding fees gone positive, 65,953 last night, reaching 66,400. We're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to show you now my $699,000 account, and I've withdrawn. I started that account with $150,000 1 year ago, and I've withdrawn more than $300,000 spending and seed investing. So this account is at a new all-time high, which is beautiful. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the market. My Bybit account last night hitting 694,000, which is beautiful. So this week from 643 to 694. So I made 50,000. 50,000 would be 643 to 694 is 50,000 plus, what is that? Plus $51,000 this week, which is beautiful. And this month from 613 to 690 to 739, so 613, 740, back to 645, back to 694. So wild week this week, this month, up still around $81,000. But still at its peak was 740. This is my Bitcoin trades, which were literally perfect. These are my buys on Bitcoin. This is when I sold Bitcoin at 62, bought Bitcoin at 59, sold Bitcoin at 63, bought it at 59, and now we're at 65. Funding fee 0.01. My Bitcoin trade now $23,500 in the profits. Big congratulations who bought with me. And that entrance was perfect, literally perfectly on the bottom. Look at that, 58,900. I set this leverage trade inside my video maybe 1 week ago, and that trade activated at nighttime, which was beautiful. And now it's $24,000 in profits. You watch this trade live. It's for Bitcoin, 240,000. I made $23,600, and I paid $288 in fees, everyone. Where can you pay $288 to make $23,624? Let me know in the comment section. Big congratulations everyone who got that. So this is my leverage trades, which was perfectly activated, which I had set in my video and it activated. This is my spot trade on Bitcoin, which is also perfectly activated at the bottom, 58,941. And this entrance was perfect. Bought down here at 52, sold at 63, bought at 59, and now we're back at 66, which is amazing. This account 694,000, which is beautiful. And you can see the breakdown of what I'm holding here. 21% in Bitcoin, 1.8, 35% cash, plus it's 201 cash plus 130, so it's about 330 in cash. 330 in cash, so it's about 50% in cash. 13% MCRT, 9% rolled, 9% Doge, 8% Uni, 2.8% Sui. And my account is pumping as well. Let's go into the Bitcoin chart. It already reset, so we go straight into Bitcoin. 65,956. Last week candle finished with a hammer candle, which is straight away gone bullish. And look, everyone, it looks like we're trying to break out of this massive bull flag. Everyone see it? Huge bull flag forming here. Paul and flag forming on Bitcoin. Massive bull flag, and it looks like we're trying to break out right now. Stochastic is still heading up. Squeeze mob going green. Crypto Guru bot fired a blue buy. JamesCryptoGuru.com. You get it at 20K in February 2023. Now we're in September 2024. So almost 2 years late. How long is that? March 2023 to October, almost a year and a half, and we went from 20K to 66K, and it's a blue buy still. You get it in the master course. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy, everyone, this week. It just fired another buy. Amazing. Looks like we're going to break out of this bull flag. Let's go closer into the daily. Daily, my descending wedge playing out exactly like artwork, as I teach you in the crypto master course. Descending wedge, builds pressure. We activated the trade here and breaks out to upwards. And we broke out massive pump on Bitcoin on the day. Huge volume on Bitcoin as well. 183,000 Bitcoin were traded yesterday on Bybit, perpetual on futures. The day before, 72,000. So an extra 110,000 Bitcoin was traded yesterday. So massive volume. And look at this. We're sitting exactly at the resistance. Bitcoin broke through the resistance, and it's retesting. It's retesting this massive bull flag breakout. Is this the bull flag? If we measure out this bull flag, how far does Bitcoin go? We go all the way, the base of the flag, this distance here. If we can break out here with volume, which we're getting right now, the target would be 100 and of this bull flag. It's $100,000, everyone. $100,367 is the target. Let's go closer into the 4 hourly. In massive inverse shoulders is playing out, inverse head and shoulders. I would say it starts from here. Shoulder, head, and shoulder has formed. Massive head and shoulders. And if we measure out the distance of the head, which is this distance here, then when we break out, which is happening right now, target 78,000. Let's go closer onto the hourly. And you can see that we have actually broken out, everyone. You see that? We're breaking out and retesting now. Now is the question, if we get a retest here of 65 with massive volume and a bounce, that will confirm the breakout of this massive bull flag and this huge inverse head and shoulders and this massive W formation. If you haven't taken a trade, or where I would take a trade if I have not yet entered, is on the monthly, weekly support. I would try to wait for a pullback to 63K on some negative news, and I would take it all the way to target of 100K. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening at 63,160, stop loss 62,397, risking $762 to make $36,000, almost 36,900. Where can you risk $760 to make $36,900? That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin, opening 63,160, 62,397. Now, if we break out here and hold, so you see we're right at the resistance of this channel. So we really need to see a strong breakout here to confirm this breakout of this channel. If we get rejected here strongly, then we can get pushed back down all the way to 59, even 56, even 50K is possible. So make sure your stop losses are below that. But in my opinion, we are going to break out here. We already broke out. We need a retest and a bounce, a strong one. But there's huge bullish momentum going into Bitcoin right now, which is beautiful. And I asked so I already predicted from your happy face that we were going to have a green day. Me too, also wore my green robes yesterday, that we're going to have a green day. I also asked many people what their gains were. And this guy made 19% on Doge, 7% Ethereum, 3%, 1%. And you can just see people's gains. Let's see. I asked people their gains to share their gains. Everyone, try and talk English in this chat, or it can make it auto-translate, but I have to set it back to auto-translate. And you can just see, let's see people's gains. I asked last night before I went to sleep. There's a lot of chats. There's 131 of you online right now. So much Russian. Everyone talking English in this group, because I don't know why right now my Google Translate is not automatically translating. Apparently North Korea getting ready to South Korea. This guy made 323% on his, here we go, on his Bitcoin long. Massive congratulations, from 6K now at 65. Everyone share your comments, comment your gains. So this was mine, 20K last night. So about 12 hours ago it's 20K, now it's 25K. This guy made 100%. This guy made 347%. This guy made $97. $1,600. Congratulations on Reef. Go short. Never short Bitcoin in a bull market. Do you have my orders? I closed them, I think. I'll check. But I entered at the 59K, and why do you always make me confused? Because you have to take my course to understand what I'm doing. Guys, talk in English, so it's just easier. I don't know why. I can just hold it like this and auto translate. But close the button, stop the no lot, but try to talk in English so you don't need a translator, and everyone can. English is the universal language. US Congress says stock trading should be illegal for Congress members. Not really, because then the smart people won't go into Congress. Most of them are waiting for 50K. I doubt it. A lot of people got in. You are very entertaining with your constant. So, okay, that's what's happening in the chat. Let's read your comments. Tesla, please. Can you do MicroStrategy? Let's please do Pepe. Do you still have 10 Bitcoin trade at 50K? I will activate it, but I think right now it's not. Hey, Guru, do you see a W forming on the 4-hour? Let's do Doge. Great call on Bitcoin. How high can 100K? I saw some historic chart showing a 44-year long cap and handled the price of silver. Oh, interesting. 44-year cup and handle. My first big win of so many months of learning just from watching daily videos. 98% big win. Thank you. Awesome, Ahmed. Awesome. Congratulations. Intro. What about XRP? So we've got everything pumping apart from MCRT. I've been buying more, but it went up as well. James, can you do your training course? You have to do your own due diligence, everyone. Woke up, my short getting destroyed. Never short Bitcoin in a bull market first. Love you. What happened with Magicraft? They're building amazing technology. You should follow them on socials. I'm buying more of them, but you have to do your own due diligence. I was seed investing. Also, the links down below. The World Series of Trading has started. $10 million prize. I'll do DOGECOIN W. Also, jamescryptoguru.com for the courses where you learn how to trade, you learn technical analysis, and you get the crypto master course. And these are some comments from students. Bought your course a few months back, took some profits, bought a Harley Davidson. And you can just see, I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from your videos. I'm buying a villa in Punta made $500,000. And you can just see made 4 million, bought a Ferrari 430 Scadia following gains from your travel channel. I love to invest, but you have to take some profits and live your life as well. And you can just see I started 2 weeks ago and profits 1,700 so far. So everyone take the course. And look at this. The urgent buy of Dogecoin video back in February 2021 made me $100,000. Let's go into Doge. So there was Doge request. There was a Pepe request. Let's do Doge right now, because I've got one of my bigger holdings is Doge. Go into the weekly charts. Always start off as I teach you. The yellow trend line is goes back to 2020. So it's a 4-year trend line, everyone. This is when I told everyone back in 2020 what he was talking about. To buy a Doge, Elon Musk is going to do a massive wealth redistribution. It was at 0.003. Then it went all the way to 75 cents. So I made everyone back then. That's what actually made my channel very famous, if you remember. I made from 0.003, like something like that, all the way to 75. So we made gains of 14,000% on Elon Musk backing Doge. And look what it's forming. Massive symmetrical triangle. Builds pressure, breaks up the base of the triangle, which would take us all the way to 45 cents on Doge, which will be amazing. So Bitcoin 100K, Doge 45 cents. And you can see here that we got to bounce off this trend line a little bit higher than it was previously. Let's adjust it so we get all the touches on the line. You want as many touches as possible. So here we've got a bunch of touches on the line. Here a few. Here one. So we added more. So we got 3 now main supports. And then you have the same going down. And it's forming symmetrical triangle. And that formed this descending wedge here. A descending triangle. Builds pressure, breaks out the base of the wedge. So usually this triangle breaks out 70% of the move, everyone. So it looks like it's getting very close for Doge to have a massive breakout, which could happen, which could start off from here and go and break out. So that would take place if this breaks out. If it bounces from here and starts going out, it will take place 24th of February 2025 at 15 cents. We get a breakout to 45 cents, which will be incredible. Again, my Bybit account 695,700. My Bitcoin trade is now futures. And again, look at that buy. Boom, in my video I made that buy, set those trades, and it activated 23,900, 196%. And this 695, let's go into spot. USDT 201K, Bitcoin up 5.5%. I've got 119K, MCRT slightly down 34%, World up 14%, 52K, Doge up 7%, 52K, Uniswap up 7%, Sui up minus 4%. But still, I bought 15K with Sui. But interesting that it's a little bit alts are pulling back, some of them as Bitcoin is pumping. And join us in the Telegram and over on X. You can follow me on X as well. 92,300 followers. Bitcoin 65,000. My trades, Bitcoin World Uni. And look at my activations again. I showed my Bitcoin spot and leverage trades from the video activated on this dip 4 days ago. This video. Let's see where my trades rising. Still about 50%, 60K. But I added into this position on the hourly. So maybe 59K was my trade. Fully plays out this rising wedge that it's ready to go. And you can see my trades, 60K. I've got 4 Bitcoin, which activated. And this is the spot. And on spot, I've got 59K to buy Bitcoin. And they both activated, which was beautiful. Guru, you are too good at TA. Thank you so much, Edgar. Well done, bud. Good, super. Congrats, James. You're the only one seeing this. No, it wasn't a head and shoulders. Won't last long. Bearish pennant. But let's see. I got in and got out already. That was at 62K. Beautiful, making my Bitcoin video now with my targets. What's your sell target for Bitcoin? 100K if we bought at 59. Thank you for finally actively follow trades instead of watching you be right and wishing I had followed you with my Bitcoin. And able to accumulate more in time with your buy sell. Thank you so much. You are the greatest of all time. Thank you so much, Gabriella. Nice comment. I had the honor of serving. John E. Deaton is going to take on E. Warren tonight on a debate. E. Warren was anti-crypto. John is super following crypto. So if you like crypto in America, follow John E. Dayton and support him in Congress. He was a Marine Corps. He wants to be pro-crypto in the U.S. Senate. 65K on Bitcoin World Uni. And you can just see, it's a great idea. I would pay to see the movie where they unleash Elon Musk on the federal government and 100% endorse this. He will get rid of most of the waste in the government. Standing victorious, keeping Magicraft is play to earn. It's the only game that's cross-playable. There's massive tournaments taking place. I'm buying more of crypto and supporting this because this is project I think is going to be a world changer. It's one of my favorites and I keep supporting it and I'm seed investor of it. And you can see, welcome to Doge. Department of Government Efficiency. We will rip waste out of our $6.5 trillion budget. Our goal, balance the budget of the USA. We must elect Donald Trump and Elon Musk. It will be incredible. Big congratulations. 1, 2, 3. Big congratulations to all of you on the Bitcoin gains. The count reaching 700. I pulled out around 300, so it's now above 1 million from 150K when I started it. I just woke up. Good morning. Congratulations, everyone. Have a beautiful day. Big congratulations on Bitcoin, Uni, World. Let's see how we do this Bitcoin pump. Let's see how strong. If it manages to hold here and break out, it will be incredible. Set up your charts, bitcoinprice.live. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let me know in the comment section when I get 2 requests. I'll do the ticker. So there was some requests on Pepe, on Uni, on micro strategies. Let me know in the comment section. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Big congratulations, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.